This is the potential energy calculator Gravitational, which calculates the gravitational potential energy of an object based on its mass, height, and gravitational acceleration. The calculator has three input fields. First is mass in kg, where you enter the object's mass in kilograms. Second is height in m, where you enter the height in meters above your reference point. Third is gravitational acceleration in ms2, which has a default value of 9.81 representing Earth's standard gravity, but you can modify this for different planets or locations. Let's work through an example. I'll enter a mass of 10 kilograms, a height of 10 meters, and keep the gravitational acceleration at 981 meters per second squared. After clicking Calculate Potential Energy, the results show potential energy equals 981.00 J. This 981 joules represents the energy stored in the 10 kilogram object due to its position 10 meters above the reference point. This energy would be released if the object fell back to the reference height, converting to kinetic energy during the fall. This calculator is essential for analyzing energy storage in elevated systems. Find the link in the description below.